I am pleased to declare open this Kothaguda branch today, which is in a sector where already 8 banks are present. But we felt there is a need for a State Bank branch because it's a IT hub and a mushrooming of trading activity besides the new residential colonies coming up in this area. So as the demographic pattern changes and urbanization takes place, it is imperative that financial institutions have to meet the call of the residents. As such, we have opened this 1295th branch in the Andhra today, and it will cater to the needs of the educated people working in the IT sector, other residents in the area, and also some small industries which are coming up, and the traders which have set shop in the vicinity will also get the benefit out of it. Take into account the needs of the specific catchment area, we will equip this branch with all the IT products like internet banking, corporate internet banking. We will also place a machine here, self-service kiosk, so that people can print their own passbooks as well. They need not stand in the queue. Besides that, all the retail products like home loan, which is the cheapest as on date amongst all banks, and the car loans will also be easily available, and it will be linked to RACPC, which is a processing cell, so that the sanctions are available in very fast time. Provided, besides that, we will also provide the facility to corporate salary packages for the corporates who are working here, and they have a huge establishment of salaried people. So that corporate salary package will give additional advantage of concessions to the people who will be maintaining their account through the salary package. With this in view, we have opened this branch, and I welcome all the residents to avail the facilities of the State Bank of India in Kothaguda. Thank you so much. Once the SME sector accounts grow here, then that will be the second phase.
Yeah, if some people wanted to open some industries, what about your loan and interest?
Yeah, that will be available. And our interest rates, as in P segment, that is retail loans, are very low in the small scale sector, micro and small enterprises also. Yeah. So we can give traders easy loan to traders to set up their shops. We give working capital facilities and term loan for investments also. We also provide them other cash pickup facility where the cash is more. Then cash deposit machine will also be deployed, so they can deposit cash round the clock. Like ATM is for draw of money, cash deposit machine along with the card, Insta deposit card, they can use this facility to deposit cash also.
Are you people personal accident insurance you are providing?
That we are providing. In fact, this scheme will continue up to 31st March at a very concessional rate of ₹100 for a 4 lakh cover as a personal accident insurance for all the saving bank and current account holders. And that has picked up very well. In fact, I am pleased to announce that Andhra Pradesh people are more vigilant and educated. We are the first amongst all circles in State Bank of India to get the maximum coverage on personal accident insurance as on 31st December. Thank you.